Mm. Um, Hello, everybody. Good morning. We are from BMMH section 1/1. Uh, Today, we're going to present about the impact of electrical and control system for HVAC in thermal comfort, air quality, and energy consumption. These are my group members, myself, Parani Analagi Surendran, and my friend Muhammad Haris bin Johari, Muhammad Adik bin Muhammad Noratnan, Kartik Analagi Balu, and Muhammad Syahir bin Maruf. Okay, for the introduction of this topic is powder air is supplied by fans and blowers for ventilation and industrial process. Fan creates pressure to move air or gas against resistance from ducts, dampers, and other fan system components. A bladed rotating impeller housed in a stationary housing is a typical of big capacity fan machines. The air or gas is moved by the rotor system and the airflow is directed by the casing. A revolving shaft provides energy to the fan motor, which it then transmits to the air. So, as the image, it shows the example of the fans and the blowers. Next, I pass the slide to my friend.
Okay. There are two types of fans. One is centrifugal and axial fans. The main duty of the fans are rotating impeller increase the air velocity. The air speed will increase the air pressure. So these are some types of centrifugal fans, which are radial fans, forward curve, and backward inclined fan. So the advantage of radial fans are it can produce high pressure and low temperature. It has simple design and high durability and high efficiency. While the disadvantage of this type is this only suited for low and medium airflow rates only. While the forwarded curved fan has larger air volume against low pressure, smaller in size and low noise. While its advantage are difficult to adjust fan output and low energy efficiency. While the backward inclined fan have the advantage to operate with changing static pressure and efficiency, while the disadvantage of these type of fans are not suited for dirty airstreams and erosion risk. Okay, these are another type of fan which are blowers. So this blower have much higher pressure can be created and used to produce negative pressure for industrial vacuum system, such as at the wood cutting factory. Okay, so how does this work? Like a gear-driven impeller that accelerates air firstly, and the airflow drop if system pressure rises. Thank you. Next, my friend will present.
Thank you. My name is Shahriz. Continue the air quality. What is system often linked to poor indoor air quality, which is dryness and interaction of the eyes, noise, throat, and skin. Headache, fatigue, shortness of breath, hypersensitivity, and allergic sinus, congestion, coughing, and sneezing, dizziness. Can air quality affect mental health? Recent research has shown that a small increase in air pollution are linked to significant rise in depression and anxiety. It also linked dirty air to increased suicide and indicated that growing up in cooler place increase the risk of mental disorder. Next, there are several good reasons to consider installing exhaust fan in your home. Better ventilation, as we mentioned above, the more airtight your home, the more you need to ventilate to ensure healthy air circulation. Removes excess moisture. Exhaust fan help remove to excess moisture, particularly in area like bathroom, which can help balance humidity level and reduce growth of mold and mildew. Remove smoke and odor. Exhaust fan remove smoke and other odor from your home and vent them to the outside. Improve comfort by improving your indoor air quality, maintaining circulation and removing excess moisture, and you can increase your overall indoor comfort. The right choice of exhaust fan is important before install it at home to avoid noisy sound at your home, to avoid high usage of power consumption. Next, I will next I will pass to my partner. Thank you so much.
Okay, I will explain about thermal comfort. So, thermal comfort is a subjective response or state of mind characterized by a person containment with their environment. There are several factors affecting thermal comfort, which is radiant temperature, air temperature, air velocity, humidity, clothing insulation, and metabolic heat. Okay, next. The impact of fans toward thermal comfort is under hot and humid condition. Fans will lower our core body temperature, decrease heat-related heart strain, and increase thermal comfort. However, under hot and dry condition, the fans raise body warmth, heart strain, and thermal discomfort. In other words, the performance of the fan will enhance at greater heat index temperature. So how fans work to provide us thermal comfort is that it will increase in airflow velocity from the fan, causes the air to seem cooler than air entering the fan. Due to the convection and evaporation, the fast moving air will accelerate at the pace which our body lose heat. The fan's faster moving air displaces the warmer air that is in direct contact with our skin. This will increase the rate of convective heat transmission, resulting in a colder sensation. In the presence of rapidly flowing air, moisture in the form of sweat on our skin will evaporate more rapidly. This will reduce body temperature and create colder environment. Okay, next I will pass to my friend.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Adib bin Muhammad Adnan. So I will explain about how the fans and the blower. For the fans, the power consumption, it really depends on the design and the style of the fan that is used in our HVAC system. So there are two types of fan, which is have centrifugal and axial, and the power consumption also depends of each type of fan. And so the will contribute to the low power consumption in the HVAC system. And second, blower, the power consumption depends on the size. The principle is the bigger the size of the building and the system, the more fan watt draw, which is the more power consumption on the HVAC system. So that's all from me. and thank you.
Adik, kau punya sangkut sikit tadi.